Dip the rim of a cocktail glass in hot fudge, then into chopped nuts, and take the remainder of the hot fudge sauce and drizzle it in the bowl of the cocktail glass, then place the glass in the freezer. In a blender with half a cup of ice, add 3 more tablespoons of melted hot fudge sauce, a large scoop of vanilla ice cream, 1 ounce of chocolate vodka, 1 ounce of marshmallow vodka, and a pinch of Maldon salt. Then blend until smooth and pour into your chilled cocktail glass. Now garnish with a mound of whipped cream and a lovely cocktail cherry. And you are ready to enjoy the Hot Fudge Sundae Martini, brought to you by MartiniDiva.com. Enjoy, and cheers, my dears.